they've got a.
Yeah, actually, you guys brought quality to e-bikes,
Yeah.
right?
Genuinely.
Yep. All right, so we're with Thomas from Beachman. This is very exciting. So this is the 2026 Beachman 64,
Yep.
and there is going to be two options this year.
Yeah, so basically we're selling this bike currently as both an e-bike and as a LSM, or limited speed motorcycle.
Yep.
The big difference is in the top speed. The limited speed motorcycle will have a top speed of 70 kilometers an hour. You just buy it, and that's what it's kind of set as. You will need a license, you will need insurance, and you will need to have, plates on the bike.
And we can do the plates for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
The e-bike version will be effectively the same drivetrain, but with limited speed of 55 kilometers an hour.
Yep, and pedals.
And pedals. So
Yep.
on road, you'll need to ride at 32 kilometers an hour. Off road, you'll be able to unlimit it to 55 kilometers
Yep.
an hour. Full homologation with the Transport Canada Authority, so the turn signals, headlights, everything.
Yeah, because that's changed.
Yeah, they're all kind of up to spec for the DOT.
Did you have to change the tires for that? Or
Yes.
You
So
did?
the new tires are stamped correctly for the Transport kind of Authority.
They're meteor.
Yeah, meteor.
Meaty.
Very exciting stuff here, all the compliance that we're doing. But yes, they have a little bit more of a kind of rugged tread to them as the standard tire. We've got the new saddlebags in,
Yeah.
so we call these the messenger bags.
The accessories that Beachman does is wild. You can customize it. So this is the
This is the stitched vinyl seat.
it's gorgeous.
And the raw steel tank. Both of these are about $500 upgrades a piece.
Cute. Worth every penny.
And the saddlebags here
Messenger
are 200.
bags.
Messenger bags. Sorry, they're about $200 a piece. And the great thing about them
Quality
is they've got,
though. You guys do quality.
Oh yeah, they've got a.
Yeah,
kind
actually,
of
you guys
quick
brought
release
quality to e-bikes,
here. Yeah.
right?
Genuinely.
Yep.
They've got a quick release. They're made of waxed canvas, so they've got kind of a nice waterproofness to them.
Yeah.
They've got a magnetic snap on here to kind of hold them shut, and they come with a shoulder strap, so you can take the bags with you to go shopping or into your work or whatever, and then put them back on the bike for when you're done.
Yep. So why would you buy the 64 versus the Aviator is size. This bike fits me perfectly. The Aviator, if you've watched that video, is for taller people, and I love, because this is what I really want to show you guys in the video is the size difference between the two of them. I'm tippy-toe on that one. This 64 fits me so beautifully. This is my favorite bike. Wheelbase?
Wheelbase is similar. They're almost exactly.
Yeah, I was going to say there's just a little bit different.
This one's a little bit shorter, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's your side-by-side. Yeah, thanks, Thomas. They're great.
Of course.
Yeah, so if you're actually looking for a quality, customizable, nostalgic bike, because you do feel cooler in these. You can't, it's just, you feel cool driving a Beachman. So buy from Ride the Wind. Thanks, Thomas.
Thank you very much. This will be coming to market in about 4 months. The 64 is currently available.
Yes.